Although some of us are busier like never before, do you still get those calls from customers not really knowing what powder coating is, just knowing that they need it? Do you find it hard to promote your business when no one seems to know what you do? You're not alone. Today, the rubber meets the road when our guest Kevin Corson, the executive director of the Powder Coating Institute, joins us. We'll cut some inroads as to why the industry seems to suffer from a lack of good PR and what can be done about it. We'll go off the beaten path to discuss how the organization has had difficulty with consumer awareness and how fostering education and supporting innovation will help us all rise. Get ready to level up your powder coater game.